Free lunch and Liam Payne.
I'd like to point out that she's doing all this just for $18. Like, I could have just given you 18 fucking dollars. So how nervous are you?
You are very nervous.
How nervous?
Nervous.
Like, you're looking.
Very nervous. I probably look bad on that, Chandler.
No. Oh, fuck. No.
That's not funny.
You like it? You want to check it out in the mirror real quick?
Yeah, sure.
How do you feel after getting your first 2 tattoos?
I don't want to be on camera, but I don't know. Good, I guess. Now let's just hope my skin doesn't act stupid.
I think it'd be fine.
I hope so.
Like, hell.
Shit. Hey, bitches. What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. I have a vlog.
Vlogger.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell are you doing?
Vlogging. Why do you have the tripod on?
Because it's fucking easier to carry and it's harder to take it off.
It doesn't hurt that bad. Like, it's
Let me see.
Don't fucking, they have black things on them.
Yeah, it's covered.
Do you have a picture?
Yeah.
I don't.
Is that duct tape?
No.
Did you just,
No,
like,
no, it's
wrap you with
bandage.
duct tape?
No, it's not duct tape. It's like a bandage.
It looked like duct tape.
Yeah, and then there's one right here too. It didn't hurt that bad. It's this one's a semicolon, and this one's pieces.
I have friends.
Like, cry, not a bitch. You're a
You were
bitch.
worried
You're
about
very
crying.
Yes, I was. I'm not gonna lie, but
She asked me to hold her hand.
and then I let go.
So it wasn't that bad?
No, it
Did you
wasn't
listen
bad.
to music or?
Yes, I did. I did.
Not real.
They get really
Something like
easy.
this.
That's expensive.
Like this. This is a Vader in his natural habitat.
2 green berets. And the best helicopter pilot I ever saw. So yes, you better believe we're gonna do all we can.
You thought you were gonna cuddle with this cat.
Yeah, I've been cuddling with him since like 11 months. It was great. He doesn't do anything.
So now at Eric's apartment. Don't fucking laugh at me. Look, this is we are fucking 4 weeks into this shit. We're at Eric's apartment. We're gonna meet Vader, who we've already met. He's a really cute fucking cat. Shut up.
At least you know it's not scripted.
Yeah, we're actually fucking losers.
Hey MTV, this is my crib. My name is Eric Castaneda. And
I don't think you want
if Chandler just does 360, that's kind of my whole place. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for this episode. I think Tom Cruise is next, so join me next week when we see my bathroom.
But you gotta get the fuck up out of here. You
Oh,
gotta say
you
that.
don't
No,
have
no.
to go home. Just,
All right.
just leave.
He already said. He said join us next week. Like
When we see the bat, well, we gotta split it up in
Eric
multiple
Tom,
episodes.
New season.
You wanna get down, bud?
all right.
Oh, hey guys, this is my setup. I'm DJ Eazy-E.
Oh God.
It's not copyright because it's DJ Eazy-E, not Eazy-E. Got iTunes up, my speakers. You know, hit me up if you ever need.
What's your SoundCloud?
I don't think I have one. I've never even been on SoundCloud. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to stand out. All right. Everyone's on SoundCloud nowadays.
Everyone's on iTunes.
Okay, I don't even. People.
All right. This is
Listen.
done.
Listen, all right. My SoundCloud is TBA, but just keep following Chandler if you want to stay updated on my hit music. You got DJ Eazy-E 2018 coming summer. Yeah, okay. Gotta do homework.
Did you get that shit?
All right, bottom. All right. So we're all heading to Zaxby's now, leaving Eric's apartment. Played some speedrunners. Rachel went to class. I'm not fucking doing it. Rachel went to class. How was class, Rachel?
Shit.
Okay.
School's a scam.
Yeah, it sure is.
So we heading out. I thought that was Roman that for a moment.
I did too.
Walking it makes sense.
update you later. Fuck you. It's fucking going in. Just got home. Dropped Jynel off. After we all got Zaxby's. I'm literally just home for a moment, probably. Grabbing the tickets. And I'm probably about to head out with Josh. Which I'll film that, come back home, edit some, and then probably go to work tomorrow morning. Yeah, so let's go. Hannah quit at work, which means now I gotta cover her shifts, so that sucks. But it is what it is. I'll fill you in later. Alright, so I'm at Foster's. I'll walk in like 10 minutes. But, this is it. This is my last day. That's, I don't know. I just think that's something to think about. A year of my life has been spent here. Alright, well. Well, this is it. My last fucking day.
Until a month from now.
Hey, Ali. This is it. This is it, man.
Chill out, man.
I'm fucking out.
No.
Oh.
Send help.
Send help. Send help.
Send help.
Anybody.
Oh, this is it, man. After today, I'm not gonna see you anymore.
What do you mean I can't see you anymore?
I'm dead. I'll probably be at the apartment to say hi to Vader. Vader's a fucking adorable.
Think I'm going along? What is it?
What?
Where am I going? Where are you going? Outback? You think I'm going to go to Outback?
You think you're gonna go to Outback?
I'm not going out back.
No, I'm going to eat.
Been there once and it was gross.
I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat.
How do you
Alright.
mess up lemonade? Huh? It's disgusting.
All fucking lemonade's disgusting.
Alright, well, I don't get the lemonade from here.
Lemonade is not disgusting.
Yes, it fucking is.
I don't pay for lemonade here. I pay for lemonade over there.
That's a good point. Alright, well. It's been real.
Bye, Chandler.